Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you if it's possible to view a restricted Facebook profile without being friends with them. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to know that Facebook doesn't allow you to bypass another person's privacy settings. If someone's profile is restricted, you can only see the information that they made public. To check what's publicly available, you can go to the person's profile that you want to check. As an example, just use mine. So let's just go and access it. So from here, if you go and click on their profile picture, if you scroll and you see informations, friends, pictures, photos, that means they don't have anything restricted. But if you click an example on their profile picture, or you try to view something, you find this profile is restricted, that means you will not be able to do that. So in order to see more of their profile, the only legitimate option is just to send them a friend request and wait for them to accept it. Once they do, you'll be able to see any content that they shared with their friends, depending on their privacy settings as well. Other than that, there is an option here. If you go, as an example, this three dots, you can find it on PC, on phone as well. Just go and click on search. Here, you can look for, or basically type that person name that you are going to look for. And here you'll find any post that they've been tagged in, or any old post that they shared before they turn on the restricted option. You'll be able to see them all right here. So just type their name and you'll be able to see it all. Of course, if you didn't find anything, that means they either deleted any older posts, or they turned that restricted profile on very or at the beginning, so they have nothing publicly available at the moment. So be cautious also of any websites or apps that claim they can unlock profiles. These services don't have access to Facebook private data and are often scams or attempting to collect your personal information. So that's all for me in this video. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe and watch our next video.